In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription on your iPhone. So to do this, there's basically two different ways, and that's because you can be billed in two different ways. So what you will need to do is first find out how you are billed. So as I said, they have two ways of billing. One is through Apple, the App Store, and the other one is directly through Netflix.com. So here's how you can check. Open the Netflix app and tap your profile icon and go to account. So under My Netflix, click on the three lines in the top right and go to account. Then under membership and billing, if it says iTunes or Apple under billing, you need to cancel through your iPhone settings, and I'll show you how to do that. If it doesn't, then you can see, for example, here it says PayPal. In that case, what you can do is just click cancel membership right here and then follow the steps to cancel it. Now, if it says billed through Apple, what you want to do is just open up the settings app on your iPhone, and from within settings, go and click on your Apple ID at the top, and then here go to subscriptions. And then under your active subscriptions, you should then find Netflix, so go and click on it. And what you can then do is click on cancel subscription right there. So that's how to cancel your Netflix subscription on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.